Hello, my friend. It's time to exercise because without practicing your programming skill, you will never become a programmer. Soon you will hear what we want to create in this lecture, and I really would like you to do it on your own. Try it at least, at least 10 to 30 minutes. Try to do the things that I will do in this lecture on your own. If you have problems, then of course watch this video. Even if you do the exercise on your own, try to watch and see how I did it. Compare it to your own code. Maybe you will learn something new. Okay? So, what's the problem? I would like to create a program that will ask the user for the number, and we will compare the number to the secret number because we want the user to guess that number. Okay? So our program will be called guess number. I think we should start the program from creating the secret number that the user will look for. Let's assign to it, for example, 40. And now I think we should ask the user for the number. So we should use the input guess number. We'll ask the user for number, we'll change it into number using the integer cast, and we'll save that guessed number, I think, into the variable that we'll call guessed number. As you can see, our variables are really self-descriptive, right? We can instantly see what they hold inside of it, right? That's really important, because if we called it like that, nah, you need to analyze what's here and here in order to know what's going on. Now we instantly know what's going on. Okay, and now I think we should check if the guess number is equal to secret number. How to do it? I think we should use the conditional statement for that. So if the secret number is equal to the guessed number, then we will show something like, congratulations, you guessed it. Otherwise, we'll send try again. Okay, smile face like that. Let's run the module. When we type 40, as you can see, everything works fine. But the problem is that when we type the number like that, try again, and that's all. The user didn't have a second chance, right? It's almost impossible to guess a number like that at the first try, right? Because the number could be really big. So how to improve that program? I think we should repeat these instructions again, like that. And then again, and then again. Do you think it's a good idea? Because I think it's not. At least not that way. Because we don't know how many times the user will try to guess the number, right? So we should repeat these instructions here until he guesses the number, okay? So we should repeat. What does it mean? When you think about repetition, instantly you should think about loops. So I will type while until this will be equal to this. So we should repeat these instructions unless these values are equal, like that. And now I think it will be great to include these instructions inside the loop while. So we need to use the spaces, the indentation here, right? Because otherwise this instruction wouldn't be connected to that while loop. That's how the Python works. And now when we run the module, as you can see, it's still not working fine. It's because the guessed number doesn't exist yet in this line. I would like to remind you that interpreter